With version 7.4.132 of the Kizeo Forms application, it is now possible to restore a backup of the data entered in the application. The option can be found in the Settings menu. At the bottom, you will find the button Restore Backup. By clicking on it, you will see the list of backups made automatically by the application. You only have to select the one that corresponds to the date and time of your choice. Validate the message informing you that the data entered between the chosen date of the restoration and now will be overwritten. The process is now launched. Restoring a backup allows you to recover the data that was in the inbox, in the drafts, in the pending box, and in the outbox at the chosen date and time. Automatic backups are performed every hour when the application is open, as well as when restoring a backup. The restoration is now complete and you can use your application. Should you have any questions about this new feature, please send us an email at support@kizeo.com.